Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing some of the technology updates. So the first update, MI TV 5X confirmed to launch on August 26 at a Smarter Living event. Features teased. So Xiaomi Mi TV 5X confirmed to launch on August 26 at a Smarter Living event and features teased. Vivo Y33s may launch in India on August 23. Price tipped. Epic Games says Google paid phone game makers to avoid 1 billion App Store hit. Facebook teams up with the Indian firm to help provide loans to small businesses. Driving license registration certificate stored in DigiLocker. M-Parivahan valid documents. Then Robinhood says Dogecoin massively boosted Q2 revenue and accounted for 62% of crypto revenue. Twitter DMs get improvements, now easier to share tweet with individuals, better navigation and more. Redmi 10 Prime spotted on Bluetooth SIG and may launch in India as rebranded Redmi 10. Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and M32 5G complete specifications tipped ahead of launch. Dogecoin Foundation announces return with renewed focus to protect a brand community. Call of Duty Vanguard release date India price trailer revealed. NASA halts SpaceX work on lunar lander after Blue Origin lawsuit. Asus Chromebook detachable CZ1 with MediaTek processor, military grade toughness unveiled. Motorola Edge 2021 with the Snapdragon 778G SoC, triple rear cameras launched. Price specifications. Microsoft 365 price raised as much as 20% to take effect in 6 months. Mi Band 6 fitness tracker India launch on August 26 and a new Mi notebook set to be rebadged Redmi Book Pro 15. Facebook selects 25 journalists to be paid in 5 million bulletin newsletter recruitment push. Shang-Chi out September 3 in India in English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada. Facebook accused of buying rivals by US FTC in renewed antitrust fight. OnePlus 9 RT could launch in India this October and specifications tipped. Then JioPhone Next price in India and specifications surface online. Mi Band 6 fitness tracker with SpO2 sensor to launch in India on August 26. Vivo Y21 with 5000 mAh battery and MediaTek Helio P35 SoC launched in India. Pixel 5a 5G with a Snapdragon 765G SoC and 4680 mAh battery and IP67 rating launched. Then Moto E series smartphone renders allegedly appear online. OnePlus 9 RT could be next T series phone. October launch tipped for India. Samsung Galaxy M32 5G India launch on August 25 and specifications revealed. Motorola Edge 20 Pro will be launching in India soon. Asus Chromebook detachable CZ1 with MediaTek processor and military grade toughness unveiled. So these are some of the technology updates. And OnePlus 9RT could launch in India this October and specifications tipped. Vivo Y21 with 5000 mAh battery and MediaTek Helio P35 SoC launched in India. Never Have I Ever Season 3 Netflix renews Mindy Kaling's Deshi series. And Xbox Stereo wired headset with spatial audio support announced, launching on September 21. So Xbox Stereo wired headset with a spatial audio support announced, launching on September 21. Then Intel Alder Lake 12th generation Core Threadripper Alchemist discrete GPU architecture details announced. So Intel Alder Lake 12th Gen Core Threadripper and Alchemist discrete GPU architecture details announced. So Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro tipped to offer 33W fast charging support. So these are some of the technology updates, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.